I have a 2018 Ultra 310 LX just stocked now. I want upgrades. Should I do a Riva Stage 1 kit or Kspeed Stage 1 kit? Also, after the Stage 1, what other improvements should I try to get to 80? Kspeed's kit gets you 78. That's a reflash, pump wedge, and intake grate. 3 parts. Riva needs more than that to get you to 78, I think. Let's find out together. Why not? RivaRacing.com for all your racing needs. All right, let's find out. Performance kits. Year. You said what year? 18? Doesn't matter. It hasn't changed in a decade. I'm joking. They changed in 04. Or 14, I mean. Ultra LX. Search. At least the website's fast. Stage 1 kit. Woo! Stage 1 kit's expensive. Wow, that's a lot of parts. Dude. Have you done any homework on this? Wyatt. You didn't do any homework on this. Dude. Let's just do this for you. Stage 1 kit. Come on, Wyatt. I'm disappointed in you, young man. Dude. This sucks. This sucks because I love the guys at Riva. I'm really good friends with them. I'm going to tell you right now. Kspeed Stage 1 kit. 77 miles an hour. That's going low. $1,200. It's 3 pieces. You got to send your ECU out to be reflashed. And it's got to go to Australia to be reflashed. Which means you're not going to be able to like swap it back if you got to go to the dealer. All right? But it doesn't sound like you're interested in going to the dealer anyway. Because you're going to be going, you want to go 80 and then you got to do all this stuff. All right. ECU, pump wedge, intake grate. $1,200. 77 miles an hour. Riva Ultra 310 Stage 1 kit. 73 miles an hour. Consists of, wow, sponsons, ride plate, intake grate, free flow exhaust coupler, water box, power filter kit, speed control override module. Kspeed's got it panned, brother. Stage 2 kit. Check this out. Stage 2 kit. You're going to pick up another 2 miles an hour, so it'll probably get you to 79. Power filter air breather kit. Pulley. Ooh, your mid-range is going to boost. Ooh, this thing's gonna howl. And sponsons. Kspeed, and the Kspeed Stage 2 kit is another $1,400. So for $2,600, you're going 80 with Kspeed. For $2,100, you're going 73 with Riva. I think we just answered it. Wyatt, you broke my heart. In defense of Riva, there might be some better handling. Well, the Riva kit, does the Riva kit include handling parts? I forgot. Sponsons, yeah. Sponsons intake grate and ride plate. Yeah, what that's going to do... Oh, it's the TBM ride plate. Oh, it's Tim Bushman's plate. Ooh, that's bitchin'. Ooh, that's a bitchin' plate. Hey, guys, I was around I was around at PWI when he made that plate. That plate is bitching. There's some really sci-fi stuff in there. The plate kind of takes the place of the pump wedge. All right. But here's the problem, is that it extends the running surface. So, anyway, yeah. After that, Kspeed Stage 1 and 2, would there be any suggestions you think I could do to make it mid-80s? No, stop it. I have a motorhome that I want to race the mile run in Texas. Top speed mile run. How can I get my Winnebago to go 220 miles an hour? You're not going to get that Winnebago to go 220 miles an hour unless you push it out of the back of a C-130 aircraft. So no, you're not going mid-80s unless you radically go through it. And guess what? Then you're going to start blowing pistons apart. So no, stop it.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.